I will take care of it. And what do people usually lose? I think their phones, smartphones. Yeah. How do you feel? Because maybe they are lose something, another things, but they don't care because it's not important for them. But their phone is important. That's why they are always looking for their phone, and that's why they are like. I only see people who is losing their phones.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel when you lose something? It depends on how it's important. For example, if I lose something important, I will of course focus on looking for this thing and panic. And if it's something not important, I will just like ignore it, forget it. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Next one, Legacy. Hello, your microphone is on. What is your name?
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Hello, teacher.
Hello. You may start.
Okay, choose one or answer. Have you ever lost something important? Actually, before till this day, about things I didn't lost, but I think I lost very important thing in my life when I playing some play something, you know, internet playing, and when I playing this game, I think I lost many time very important period on my life. Regarding about things, I don't lost something important.
So you say you are playing games and then you are losing time?
Yeah, excellent. And also when I talking my friends and my group mates like this about unusual topics, something their life, and English time we say like this ushak, yeah, gossip.
Gossip.
Yeah. And also that time I lost many time, and I will try don't repeat this. And nowadays.
Very nice. And what do people usually lose? What do you think?
What do people usually lose? I think it's be happened anything else when people are rushing somewhere, they don't focus about what about with him, what about how with him, and that period they maybe lost everything. And right now I am working in hotel, and a lot of our gases lost. They stink. For example, they closes on the beach and like this. And next one, how do you feel when you lost something? Well, actually, I don't feel anything. First of all, don't don't panic about this. Everything will be fine if you don't panic and don't mind about it. And
how do you feel when you like realizing that you lose your time?
it's very terrible. I'm not unable of telling about this. It is time. It is very important things in our life, and we have to how to say, we have to take care about it. And it is like this. It is time. Курал кандай болот эле?
Сүйлөмүңүздү толук айтасызбы?
Убакыт бул биз үчүн курал, жакшылыкка иштете турган.
It's an курал
Maybe gun.
Gun. Yeah, because gun it's like тапанча дегендей болот да. Курал деген бул бөлүмдө абстрактуу болгондуктан сейчас карап көрөлү интернеттен. Оружие для не оружие, даже орусчада оружие десе болот го дейм. Useful, helpful деп айтсаңыз болот го дейм. Time
Time is useful towards to reach, to achieve our dreams, our targets, and like this.
So, time works on. Okay, very nice. Эгерде тапсам комментарийге калтырып коёмун бүгүнкү посттогу. Бул сөз курал деген сөздүчү жаза алайын өзүмө. Анан тапсам анда Tool, yes. You can use like tool, yes. Wow, I just thank you.
Tool, жанагындай аспаптар колдонуп болбойбу ал? Саймандар колдоно турган.
So, мындай деле айтсаңыз болот го дейм. Time is a tool to achieving our goals десеңиз болот го дейм. Ушундай сыяктуу болот го дейм. Анткени эки мааниси бар да. Let's check. Tool. Meaning. Yeah, a device, distinct design, tooling book, piece of software, distinct design book, так. Vulgar slang, так. Карап көрөйлү тоже. Текшерип көрөйлү буну дагы. Эгерде тапсам комментарийге калтырып коёмун. Эгер таппасам анда мен да тапкан жокмун. So thank you, Daniel. Yeah, it was very nice to listen to you. It was unusual thoughts. So, Ayjan, maybe you want to try?
My pleasure.
Ayjan, we can't hear you. Siz укпай жатасыз.
Суроолорго жооп бериш керек, э?
Ооба. Үчөөнө же болбосо экоосуна, бирөөсүнө калашынча.
I lost my phone. It was very important to me. I looked for it alone, but I found it.
Where did you found it?
Huh?
Where did you find it? Кайсыл жерден таптыңыз?
Азыр. Биз тауга барганбыз, анан ошол жерден жоготуп алгам да.
You lost it in mountains? And someone gave it to you back. Kimdir бирөөсү кайра кайтарып берди да буну?
Нет, я сама нашла.
Wow. Very nice. When it was? When did you lose it? Качан жоготуп алдыңыз эле? I think she has some problems with okay. Let's go on. Shahida, hello.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Did you hear me, teacher?
Yes. Now we can hear.
Okay. I lost my phone 1 month ago when I went to the movie with my kids. I looked for everywhere, but I didn't find. Then 1 hour later, yes, 1 hour later, I found in the my children's.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I forget.
Okay, back then, I find my in my bag. But I that moment I confused and I nervous because it's very expensive phone. It was expensive phone. My husband gave me или как подарок кылып берген дегенди кандай?
Give me as a present.
Yes, gave me as a present. That's why it's expensive for me. Then what?
How do you feel when you lose it?
What?
How do you feel when you lose it?
I felt nervous.
Nervous?
Yes, nervous. And my husband, that time my husband next to me, and he was nervous too. And we looked for more than көп izledik.
How much? 1 hour, 2 hour?
1 hour, yes. We looked for 1 hour, yeah. And I lost my car's key. I lost my car's key 15 days ago. Yes, 15 days ago. And I looked for my car's inside this envelope.
Yes.
more and my bag. I looked at home. Then my second son helped me ski. Key was in the toys when my children played. It was oyuncakların içinde, oyuncakların arasında.
Toy box.
Yes,
Box
it
with
was. It was toy box. Yes, that's it. But my husband lost more than me. Yes. Thank you. That's it, I think.
Okay, thank you, you too. So next, Minura, hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm okay too, thank you. Till this time, I haven't lose anything, and I can't say nothing about this thing.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Even money, maybe?
No.
Okay. Then, Tilek, hello.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tilek.
Nice to meet you. You may start.
Башта оттоне жаңында английский talking copy'не эмерек болот.
Эми уялбай эле жооп бере берсеңиз болот, андан кийин жардамдашабыз эгерде эме болуп калса. Суроолоруңуз болуп калса, же которо албай калсаңыз.
Хорошо. I was lost in mountains my phone 2 years ago. Then
I have this vocabulary. You can look. Бул жакта бир гана эмес экен. Может керек болуп калат, ошол жактан да сөздөрдү карасаңыз болот.
Азыр мен уровень biraz beginner эле, жаңы баштап өттүм азыр. Башкалардан сурап тура аласыз.
Макул анда. Хорошо. So, Ruslan, hello.
Hi guys, how are you?
We're okay. How are you?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So, okay. What's the question? Choose one or answer one. Have you ever lost something important? Oh, yes. You will believe or not, I don't know, guys, but I have lost my passport twice.
Wow. The ID one?
I can hear you, sorry. Give me 1 second, please. I have to change my internet.
Okay. Who else? Jumagul, hello. Umurzakova, hello, yes. You can start.
Hello, Nuraim, how are you? How was your diploma?
Hello, I'm okay, thank you. I defend my diploma on Monday, and I got A minus, but anyway, it's A, so I'm happy and I'm kind of feeling free, like.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you very much. How are you? What about you?
Thank you. I'm good. I'm super.
Okay.
I'm near my mom. Yesterday came to near my mom. And about the question, choose one or answer all. Have you ever lost something important? Yes. I guess everyone lose time in this day, and when they are sitting on the social media, scrolling Instagram maybe. And what do people usually lose? Yes, I guess people lose money and time. It's more important things in our life. That's why I guess it's the time. How do you feel when you lose something? I feel nervous, sometimes panic, and my hand and vinus will be vibration like
shaking.
Yeah, shaking. Yeah, I mean, and when I lose something, I'm feeling so bad myself. And for example, my sister gave me a watch. How can I say? It's a really expensive watch, and I lose this one, and I feel so nervous. And I didn't say my sister, and I guess she's feel happy because it's so important things for me.
Very nice. So, thank you, Mirzakova. And let's go with the next task. Next task
I'm
is.
here.
Oh,
okay.
Ruslan,
Go ahead. Next.
I
So it's my
opened. You
turn
can.
or what?
Yes.
So okay. Oh yes, I held my passport twice, and first time it was I don't know when, but I lost my first time I lost my passport and I got new one, and second time I lost my passport and I applied to get new one and I got new one, and but after that I find my old passport, so I have two passports now. That's funny.
Yeah.
And second one is
How
what do people
long
usually
was it?
lose? Sorry.
How long was when you lost your first passport and then second passport? Is it like long period or it was short period of time?
Oh, I don't know, but it was like first time I lost it in 2020, and second time it was 2022 or 2023, like this.
I'm sorry, I have a question. This one for a second passport, or you get a second passport and first passport is useful for you. For example,
of course not.
For example, you get a second one, it's first one is not working, yeah?
Yes.
I get it. By the way, your pronunciation is so perfect.
Thank you very much. Last time you said it, and my phone was dying, so I cannot answer you. So thank you. Okay.
Next.
There's next question. What do people usually lose? Oh, I have heard that people always saying that someone lost their money, someone lost their keys, someone lost their documents, or something like this. And I think that the most popular thing that people lost are documents or money and keys. Yes, I think so. And the last question, how do you feel when you lose something? Oh, I think that it depends on the thing what you lost and what you lost and when you lost. Yes, because it's two different things. For example, if I have flight tonight and I lost my passport, it's too nervous and I will panic and I have to get new one to flight. That's it. And but if I don't have anything that I don't need to go to somewhere and I lost my passport, it's okay. I can get new one. So that's it. It depends on the situation and it depends what you lost and when you lost.
Yeah, true. So Thank you. Yeah, you answered all 3 questions. Thank you. And бул жерде каалоочулар болсо, бул суроолорго аз жооп берсеңиздер болот, же болбосо кийин дагы ачып бере алам бул бетти. Анан азыр эмеге өтө берели. Асель, yes.
Hello, everyone. Have you ever lost something important? I am usually lost case. I am lost case of home. Ключи от дома, да?
Yes.
And many shirts. Вещи. Shirt, да?
Вещи?
Да. Потерять вещи.
Things.
Things, да? Things.
Yes.
Вот. I am usually always lost things. 10 years ago, I lost passport and 3,000 soms, money.
Money.
Yes, money. And but I didn't
Found?
Find,
I didn't
yes.
find.
I didn't find.
Yes.
Yes, I didn't find. I think my second name Losing. Потеряшка.
Okay.
What do people usually lose? I think people usually lose case and documents. Ключи и документы, все.
So, бул эме lose деп болуп окулат, бул сөз.
Lose? Не lose, lose.
And мисалы бул жерде lost деп өткөн чакта айтылып атат да. And when you are answering, you should say like I have lost something important. I have lost my keys дейсиз да бул жерден. Yes. And when you are using words like usually or words like always, you say lose. Lose деп айтасыз да.
Lose.
Анткени бул сиз always жана usually-ны колдонгондо сиз факт тууралуу айтып атасыз да. Бул болсо present simple. Аны дайыма
прошлый.
Прошлыйда lost деп айтасыз. Анда эме always, usually деп айтпайсыз да. Это просто факттарды азыр айтып атасыз да. Сиз жоготконсуз мурда десеңиз анда lost айтасыз да. Эгерде usually десеңиз мен дайыма деп дегенде ошондо lost айтасыз.
Very nice. Thank you.
So, thank you too. Let's go with the next question. Бул жерде жаңы гана кошулуптур. Кишилер дагы салам барыңарга, достор. Мен атым Нурайым. Анан бүгүн биз жоготулган нерселер тууралуу сүйлөшүп жатабыз азыр. Анан кааласаңыздар азыр суроолоруңуздар, микрофонуңуздарды жандырып, ошол суроолорго жооп берсеңиздер болот. Же болбосо биз алдыга уланта берейли жаңы эмелерди. Сиздер кааласаңыздар эметесиздер. Кийинчерээк айтсаңыздар болот. Yes, of course, Nurjan. Nuriza? Okay.
Hello, everyone. I don't lose things often, but I remember one story. I was about 10 or 15 years old. On my birthday, my mom gives me 1,000 sons, and I lost all the money because someone stole it. I went I want to the market with my friends. I wanna to buy a cake and eat with my family. But I lost this money. I very cried and and I felt very bad, and couldn't find the money. But my mom supported me, and father too supported me. Yes, that's all.
Very nice that they support you. So, do you want to answer next two questions?
No.
Okay, thank you for sharing with your story. It was very nice.
Thank you very much.
Mary Kay. Nurs, hello.
Hello.
Oh.
Can I answer?
Yes, of course, you can start.
Have you ever lost something important? Yes, I lost my watch. I was training and I forgot to take off my watch. So when I was training, my watch I couldn't find my watch, and this watch was important because it was a gift from my father, and I couldn't find it and I lost it. What do people usually lose? Someone already said that many people lose key and documents, and I agree with them. How do you feel when you lose something? When I lose something, I really nervous, and I always check everything and trying to find my thing that I lost.
Thank you for your answers. So next one is Chief Taln. I don't know.
Yeah,
Chita,
hello, how are you
maybe?
doing? Actually, my name is Davlet. It's my
Hello.
nickname. Yeah, hello. So, first questions: Have you
Hello.
ever lost something? Lost something important? Yeah. So last time I
Yes.
lost my debit card. So I can find and open a new card. And so next questions: What do people usually lose? Yeah.
Yes.
So many people, I think, lose money and the bank cards, and key of home. Yeah. So, and last questions: How do you feel when you lose something? I feel it's dangerous. I feeling. So that's all. My answer is very short because I don't know many words. So
Anyway, it is good. I like your pronunciation. It's very good. Yes.
Thank you.
So
And many practice I need.
yes, yes. So you can come to our talking clubs and practice here your English. So let's go with the next thing. It's vocabulary. I did like little words which you may need. lost found бул сөздөр эми жоголду жана табылды дегендей болуп которулат. Wallet, капчык, keys, ачкычтар, bag, сумка, phone, телефон, ticket, билет, көбүнчө жоголгон нерселер жөнүндө жоголгон нерселер болуш керек деп ушуну жаздым. Андан кийин where did you last see it деп сурасаңыздар болот. Акыркы жолу кайдан көрдүңүз депчи. Бирөө жоготкон болсо же башка бирөөдөн сурай турган болсоңуз. Андан кийин I think I left it in деп айтсаңыздар болот. Менимче мен аны бул in library мисалы. Менимче мен аны китепканада калтырдым деп айтсаңыздар болот. And last word is maybe someone found it. Балким кимдир бирөө таап алгандыр. So you can screenshot it and then use it. So learn by heart, something like this. Керек болсо скриншот кылсаңыздар болот. Анан кийинки болсо бул оюн болчу. Мисалы бул жерден бирөө чыгат, мисалы ким дейли? Руслан дейли. I lost something дейсиз, анан кийин сизге башкалар суроо берет. Катардан мисалы Тилек бир суроо берет, Шахида бир суроо берет, Давлет бир суроо берет, Даниэль бир суроо берет там. Анан сиз ошолорго жооп бересиз. Мисалы example, it's here. I lost something дейсиз, бирөө сурайт, what did you lose? I can say it, ask questions. Where did you last see it? Кайсыл жерден көрдүңүз? Парктан. Бул чоң беле, кандай өңдө эле, могу суроолорду колдонсоңуздар болот. So let's try this one. Бул бир аз жаңы формат, ушуну эметип көрөлү. Ким баштагысы келип жатат? Someone is talking, but I cannot hear you.
Okay, I lost my...
Yes, that first one.
Ruslan, I think it's you. Yeah. Yes, Daniel, you can start. Ruslan, siz жакшы болбой жатасыз.
I lost my... Не вам.
Ruslan, anyway, you can угулбай жатат такыр эле. Шуура аткандай болуп калды. Хотя менде 200% турат голосовойлор. Maybe you will try to... What did you lose? Руслан, хорошо. Даниэль, сизден баштайлы.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, my internet was so bad. The connection is not working now. Sorry for that.
Yeah, that's okay. We understand. Now we are starting with Daniel. Sorry. What did you miss? When did you last see it, Daniel? Оюнузда бир предметти айтыңыз, анан кийин болсо мы должны аны угадать этишибиз керек, да?
Okay, so, yesterday I lost my books.
Бизге айтпаңыз. So, you shouldn't tell us. Бизге айтпашыңыз керек. Получается, биз сизге суроо беребиз, анан кийин сиз ошондо жооп бересиз. Мисалы, when did you last see it десеңиз, сурайбыз, качан акыркы жолу көрдүңүз эле деп. Анан сиз айтасыз, yesterday деп. Something like this, okay? Let's try again.
Okay.
Where were you?
I were on library.
In library?
In library.
Mm-hmm. So next question. Mm-hmm.
Is it big or small? Or small.
Small.
I'm sorry, could you repeat again?
Is it big or small?
Oh, it was doesn't big, not big, not small. It was middle.
Middle, yeah. What color is it?
About color, it was blue, and one should write in
I think is it you're losing a book, yeah?
yeah.
It's not good.
Did you see it anywhere?
No, I can't see. I don't see.
I hope you can help me for finding it.
Yeah, we'll trying.
Okay. And could you write my telephone number? When you find my books, you can call me.
Oh, you really lost your book? Which library it was?
Which library? Central Library.
Колдонмону, right?
Right.
Okay. I will help you, but мен жакында китепканага барбаймын, ошондуктан жардам бере албайм го дейм.
Okay.
But, okay, so
I hope you find it soon, sir.
Okay, if nobody is found it, I have to buy new books, but I have to, how to say, preparing my exams and like this. If anyone found it, I have a сүйүнч кандай болот эле?
Gift there? Like gift.
Yes.
I have a money gift, yeah. Total is 5,000 sum.
So
I'm sorry?
What book was it?
What about this book?
This book about preparing test IELTS.
Okay. So someone will call you, okay? So
Okay.
let's return to the game. Let's start with Davlet. Maybe you want to try?
Yeah.
We will ask you questions.
So begin. I am starting it.
Yes,
First, I am starting it. So I need to say I lost something. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So where did you last see it?
I will see last in my wallet.
So, So, girls, boys, question. Өзүңүздөрдүн суроолоруңуздардан дагы берсеңиздер болот. Shahira, maybe you want to ask some questions. Nurs, yes? Your microphone is on.
I think it's money.
Not money.
No money? Okay.
I think
but the same.
Coins?
I think it's credit card, yeah? Credit card.
Yeah, you guess it. But it's not credit this debit card. I lost my debit card.
Okay.
Last time.
It was easy for Nurs.
Yeah.
So let's go on. Nurs, your turn. Эми сизге суроолордон беребиз. Let's start.
When you lost your debit card?
When I coming in my home, and after I can't find my debit card. So I'm working and driving,
I see it was yesterday, yeah, or something else.
No, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
When did you lost? Where did you? Hello.
Where did you last eat the same spot? For example,
where did you last eat?
Yeah, I told this. I still last it my home. Inside my wallet.
What was the room at home?
Which room?
Which room? Living room.
Living room.
So that
Living room
you have to ask your family membership like this, your mother, your father, maybe they find it.
No, I asked him. He told me no seat. And after I opened a new card, and all my card blocked, and after no debit card.
You asked them and they didn't see it. Okay.
Yeah, he didn't see.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why banks debit cards?
Say again?
Come again. Can you repeat it? Түшүнбөй калдык. Кайра айтып коесузбу?
Why banks debit card? Кайсы банктын debit card?
Which bank? So, usually Bank of America. I lost this card and open new card is Chase Bank.
And where your home located? Could you tell about?
Living in Chicago, sir.
Don't say I found yesterday something card, therefore.
So, Davlet in Chicago, and Daniel, where did you find this debit card? Credit card or debit card?
I'm also working in Chicago, and in street I found it in housing card, writing, Davlet, Asanov, like, right?
I'm sorry.
If you want to, I can give you your card, and when you want it, we can meet in Chicago Park, and I can give you free.
Wow, great! How did you find it? Where it was?
Was nearby Bank of Chicago. How say our friend Taulet?
So wait, Daniel, you're in Chicago now, and you lost your book for IELTS preparation in Chicago's library?
No, I'm joking. It's just for example.
Oh.
Oh my God. Yes, I believe you too.
I was like, wow, this is a fate. Okay, let's go on. You too? Okay. So, бизде дагы бир 3 мүнөт калыптыр 8ге чейин, бир 10 мүнөттөй отуруп турайлы дагы эметип практика кылып, анткени бизде дагы башка суроолор болчу. Жаңы эркин микрофон болуп кетти. Мисалы, кийинки суроо эме болчу. What would you do if you found a wallet on the street? Көчөдөн капчык таап алсаңыздар, кошелек таап алсаңыздар, аны эмне кылмак элеңиздер? Бул жерде сүйлөм турат, ошуну мисал катары колдонсоңуздар болот. Анан бул жака сөздөрдү эметсеңиздер болот, койсоңуздар болот. Yes, of course.
What would you do if you found a wallet on the street? If I found a wallet, First of all, I open inside this and maybe inside have something name. Тиешелүү кандай болуп калат эле?
The owner's name десеңиз болот го дейм.
Okay, owner's name and
Owner's
about
name.
it is okay. I found it belongs how someone, and I can find something else and I can call it. And if it enable, I want to try another way. So, for example, actually keep it a long day and wait owners. After that, my friend told me about one history. My friend lost him wallet in the subway in Germany, and he didn't find. And in Germany, located like this cabin, losing clothes, losing things, and who ким болса да тапса, they give them, and my friend try it, find, and my friend find it inside this cabin, and maybe in Kristan located like this cabin, maybe I will give it him. And in Kyrgyzstan, we say like this, when we find something, we firstly say kimdiki 3 times. Like this, I can try like this.
Okay, so very funny.
Very interesting history.
So, yes, very interesting history. And I want to say about grammar. So, I like your vocabulary, but Daniel, I think you need to work on your grammar because you're telling the story in the past, like about past, and you need to use the past tenses. Ошолор боюнча иштешиңиз керек экен да. Тура эмес этиштерди жатташыңыз керек экен, анан кийин анан дагы эмеден адашат экенсиз. Him деп айтпайбыз биз, his wallet депчи. Аныкы деп his деп айтабыз. Yes.
I will try fix my wrong sentence like this. I will be try better.
Yeah. Actually, your pronunciation is good, really, and I like your vocabulary. But with grammar, you need to little bit like work. So, thank you for your story. It's very interesting. And let's go with another person.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Who else? Yeah, you can start. What's your name?
Hello.
Бул жерде ай турат экен эмесинде. Yeah. What is your name?
My name is Hehe. Hello.
Болбой жатат, кечиресиздер. Жакшы болбой жатат. Катыраак сүйлөйсүзбү?
Are you hearing me?
Дагы деле жакшы болбой жатат.
Hello.
Жок, эме угулуп атасыз, бирок мындай эме приглушенно болуп атат да.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Are you hearing me?
Yes. Now we can hear.
If I found a wallet, I will take the money and I will lose myself.
What if there is no money? What if there is no money, but there is like passport, ID, like some documents? Maybe he has some internet problems. Salamat, hello.
Hello, Mekai. If I found a wallet, I would first of all ask someone, the people near me, and the second, I give it to a guard.
Guard.
Guard, как читается? Guard или?
Guard.
Guard.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Вы дай бог это guard. Yeah.
Guard. That's all.
Or police, you can say. Yeah. We usually, I think, in Kyrgyzstan give it to police.
I would say that I find this wallet in the street, and I want that they can try to find the owner this wallet.
Have you ever found something?
Yes, I found something. I found a bag in the bus. Bag, yes.
In the bus.
Yes.
What did you do with it?
I сказала said да, в прошлом. I said the driver that I find this bag and I took him.
Very nice. Thank you. Your English is very good. I see. So next person. Let's go with the next person. Davlet, your microphone is on.
Yeah, I'm here. If I found a wallet, I will do first my step. I will open the wallet and looking the money. If you have money, I will use every money, and after try to find the owners for giving these documents.
Documents, but not money.
Yeah. And I'm like, yeah, it's so funny. And actually, I will try give it back together with money.
Okay.
And if I can't find owners, I will give to a guard. Give it to a guard.
Okay, thank you. Nuriza, hello. Again, do you want to answer? Даяр болсаңыздар, микрофоныңыздарды қосып өзіңіздер элеме терсеңіздер болады. Oh, Ruslan, I see your microphone is on.
Oh yes, I have a story about the money, about the money. Yes. So first of all, I'm gonna answer the questions. Okay. If I found a wallet, I will not do anything.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe someone drop it, like to get more money from me.
Oh.
I'm just gonna say yes. If I found a wallet, I will keep it, and I will give it to the policeman, or I will story that I found a wallet, and I will write there my number, and if it's yours, then call me and get your wallet. That's it.
And your story?
And yes, once I went to the bank that to get the money that was sent me from another country, and I came to the bank and I got my money, and I didn't count it in the room. I mean in a bank, and I go outside and I started counting. I counted, and there was extra 10,000 sum. And then I was thinking that what should I do? I need to go home or I need to this money give them. I was thinking, and I went back to the bank, and I saw that they were nervous, they were panic, especially the cashier, because they were looking for the 10,000 sum, because they give me extra 10,000 sum. And I gave them their money. That's it.
Very nice story. Thank you for sharing with us. So let's go on with another person who wants to answer. 8-тен өтүптүр. Азыр дагы калоочулар болсо азыр жооп бериңиздер. Анан кийин коштошойлу. Калоочулар жок болсо анда азыр коштошойлу. Шахида, yes?
May I try it again?
Okay, you can try after me.
Yeah, what?
Okay, after
I
you
was
can try first.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. If I found a wallet, I would first I said whose wallet I кантип айтат билем да, кантип айтамчын да?
Screaming.
Кимден? I ask the people whose wallet, and I will give in police, and if I want to find owner, I will give in masjid or mosque, David.
Mosque, yeah.
Mosque, yeah. When I lived in Kurdistan, I worked in Dordoy, and I sell clothes. There were a lot of people left their things in my контейнерге таштап кетишет эле. Буюмдарны адамдар.
In my shop десеңиз эле болот дейм. Yeah.
Okay,
you can just say shop because container десе түшүнбөй калат го дейм алар.
Okay, you can. Yes, I can. I could save it. 1 month, 2 months, maybe they will come and to take their things. But when they didn't come, I gave poor family. Yeah. Okay.
Very nice story.
But you understand? I don't know. Okay.
No, it was fine. Yes, everything was fine. Yes, it was a little bit slow, but anyway, we understood you, and thank you for your trying.
Okay, thanks so much.
Don't stop. Okay.
Thank you.
So, Daniel.
May I try again?
Yeah, you were going to say something.
Okay. And if I found a wallet, sometimes nearby don't have any persons, any policeman, any guarder, and like this. And that time, what we should do? I think, first of all, if I found a wallet with money, I would first of all keep it 1 month or 3 months, and after that, you know, in our country, in all the world, a lot of poor people, and I can spending this money charity, and like this. Also in our religion, saying like this, if you found like this money, you have to find owners, and after then you don't find owner, you have to keep it actually, and after then 1 month or 1 week you don't find also, you have to spending to charity. My response like this.
Okay. Again, the very unusual response, and I didn't know about this kind of information. I think a lot of people didn't know this, so thank you for sharing. And what else? Who else wants to answer? Who else wants to share their stories? You are like, жооп берсеңиздер болот. Эгер жоопуңуздар жок болсо, историяларыңыздар башка жок болсо, we can like finish our lesson.
It's time to say goodbye.
Yeah, let's say goodbye then. Thank you.
Finally, I want to say some just thing. You know, teacher, in our country, a lot of students want to study abroad, but they don't have money to study, and maybe I can spend with him for studying, and this is also big charity, I think.
Spend what? Money or time?
Money to studying students. If
you want to study students.
I want spending it, that lost in wallet with money to them.
Okay. Very nice. But I think we first of all we should try to like help. I really should like try to find the owner by heart, because maybe he also need this money. And after this,
this
I don't know.
Another way. When we don't have any way, last one at least, I have to do this.
Spend it on charity. Yes.
Yeah, it's the last way.
Last step, last way. Yes, I got it. Okay. So, Nuriza, what about you? Do you want to talk? Tilek, Nurs, Salamat, I think answered. Үчүңүздөр калтырсыздар, жооп бериңиздер келип атабы, жооп бериңиздер келбей жатабы? Okay, no answers, then maybe
I
you
think
don't
the
want
guys
to.
are busy.
Yeah, maybe they're busy. So, bye everyone. Thank you for the lesson. It was.
Can I?
Yeah.
Can I ask about the talking club?
Yes.
So where and when you? So где вы проводите talking club?
Here in Telegram, биздин talking club'тар онлайнда. Онлайн talking club'тар, анан кийин ар бир шаршемби күнү саат 7-де болот.
Every Sunday this Sunday?
Шаршемби. Среда. Шаршемби.
Every Wednesday? Okay.
Wednesday, yes. Every Wednesday at 7 p.m. we are doing talking clubs in Telegram. It's online. So you can join, you can call your friends, family members, etc. who wants to learn English. You can call all of them. We will talk. Yes. Any other questions?
And teacher, I have a last word.
Yeah, we are listening.
In our life, it will be happened maybe when you're looking for, you'll find it, and when you walking and don't looking for, you find your last things. It is awesome. How to say?
I have question for legacy. Where did you learn in English?
Actually, I learned in English in Bishkek, and I practice with Okutool. I want to say a lot of thanks for Okutool's teams, and I wish your goal will achieve what you want. And also, you can keep going to helping our Kyrgyzstan and another country students with studying language, English language, like this.
Thank you very much. It's very nice. Yes. Thank you all of you for coming. So bye-bye. See you next week.
Thank you so much. It was very useful.
See you again, guys.